I did a video the other day on house flipping 101 and some basic overview, and I had a comment on there asking how do you calculate the ARV, after repair value, of a property. So I'm going to go show you. So Propstream. This is what I use. Now, don't get me wrong. There are a lot of different ways that you can comp properties and get after repair values. There are the MLS, there's Zillow sold properties, there's basically anywhere where you can find data on sold properties is the way to go. And Propstream is like the MLS or MLS Access for essentially every market. But I know Springfield pretty well, so let's go somewhere else. Let's go Denver. I like Denver. Let's say we were going to buy somewhere over in Applewood. I don't know anything about Applewood. And, oh, look, there's a reservoir there. That's cool. We'll go a little further away from it, just to go like right in here. Okay. So let's say we wanted to comp. That house looks like it might have an ADU. This one. Okay. And you can see right away, it gives you estimated value. But who knows, right? You never know. You don't. So how do you determine? This is a 3-bed, 1-bath, 1,056 square feet, lot size, year built. This person's owned it for 5 years and 3 months. It's owner occupied. It's not currently listed. They have an estimated $217,000 in equity because they. So this says comps average sale price 403. So we'll find out. Public record, so it sold, they think, for 333, right? So and you can get all their info and everything down here. So a lot of different things. You can also see, like, this person owns 2 homes, so both of them show up. They own a condo and a single family. You can get basic mortgage info. You can pay for some of these documents and reports. You can get the tax information, and then this is what you want right here: comparables, and nearby listings. And there's a lot of different ways to do this. Generally, you go back 6 months to a year within like a half mile to a mile, especially in like a populated area like this. So we'll go a half mile. We'll go 6 months. So that puts us at like May 1st. Well, May like 20th, but whatever. Okay, so 6 months. Half mile. This one's a 3-1, so we want 3 ones. Okay, so you can see that apparently only 2 have sold in the last half year, half mile, and one was public record. Oh, it's the same house. So this is the MLS. This is the public record, and it shows 550 was the sale price. Okay, so that's obviously not enough data. So I would go out to 1 mile before I would go. And you can see where the comps are, right? So they're all still fairly similar neighborhood areas, I'm assuming. I mean, this might be, every market's a little different, so you want to know. But, and let's go with, let's do just MLS record for this. It doesn't really matter. Like in Springfield, they don't do, it's a non-disclosure state, so we have to go off, kind of the public record or whatever. But this one, MLS, is always more accurate if you can. So, so price per square foot is kind of what you're looking for. I like to try to see if they line up. None of these do. So let's see what's so different. All right. So this is a 3-2, 3-2. So I bet those are the 2 higher ones. Generally speaking, a 3-2 is more, is preferred over like a 3-1 or a 3-1.5 even. Kind of like once you get to 4 bedrooms, you want a 4-3 if you can, or 4-2.5. All right, so they're all around 1,000 square feet. Similar lot size. This one has the exact same lot size as number 6. And as you can see, sold for 550, 506, 289, 670. So this one, 289. It's a condo. Let's take that one out. Okay. So there we go. I was like, man, what is off that makes that one so much lower? So that's kind of the stuff you got to look out for. Like this one's way lower price per square foot. A lot of times that means the property needed renovations when it was sold or wasn't updated. And you can see well, none of these do, but when you find one that's listed, it'll let you see pictures or if it was recently listed or whatever. So a lot of times you can find photos of the sale or the property there. So again, so this is the average price per square foot going off that is $543.54. Now these two are 3.2s, so maybe you take that down to like 520 a square foot. You'd have to, the more you know your market, the better, but that'll kind of give you an idea. So let's say it's 543 just to use this. I just take a calculator, $543 a square foot, and this is a 1,056 square foot home, so that puts us at 573. But let's say we go to that 520 range because we're taking out the bedroom or the bathroom. So that's still right around 550. Okay, and that actually lines up pretty close to the estimated value. But essentially that's what you do. You kind of got to learn to play, similar size, similar bedroom, similar bathroom. Bedrooms add more value than bathrooms. Bathrooms add more value than basically anything else other than like a kitchen. Kitchen and bathroom are like, so it's like bedroom, kitchen, bathroom are all pretty close, but bedroom trumps. Updated kitchens, as you dig through pictures of these, you can go find their MLS listings on like Zillow. You can really dial in. But what you're looking for is completed homes. Like you don't want to go comp a bunch of crappy wholesale deals if you can comp like a reasonably functional property that's not a wholesale deal. It's been sold, it's been renovated, it's in decent shape. That's your after repair value, right? That's what you're going for. So now if you're comping to buy, yeah, you use some crappy properties and lower your comps, but when you're trying to purchase to find the ARV, you do it that way. Now there's a ton of other things that Propstream is useful for. I absolutely love it. It is one of, if not my favorite real estate platform for finding off-market deals, comping properties, looking for owners. All things, pulling your lists, all kinds of crazy stuff. It is phenomenal, but I've got other videos on that, so go check them out. This was how to find your ARV using Propstream, and I will leave a link down below if you want I think it's a 14-day free trial, and there might be a discount associated with it. Again, Propstream is my favorite, or one of my favorite platforms for real estate investing, and I've been using it now for like 4 years, and I love it. So if you're wanting to do any comps or ARVs, definitely check it out. It's a great tool. Thanks, guys. Oh, and make sure you subscribe if you got something out of this.